Welcome to Tsunami Era. Please direct your attention to the menu bars, the top of the screen. If you are a new client, please scroll to the bottom and click My Account. From there you will be given the option to create an account. Please take the time to do so. Once you have created an account, click on the menu bars again. Then, proceed to the New Client Forms page. From there, you will scroll down until you see the New Client Form download links. Download the PDF files to fill out and save. You can print, sign, and scan, or take pictures of them with your smartphone. Once you have signed digital copies of the client forms, you will begin to fill out the free quote form. Please type your name, your phone number, your email. If you have an order request at this time, you may fill out the job scope section. Please fill out the job address, or if you are just signing up, please use the address on the ID that you will be submitting. Enter your shot list in this section. Please attach a copy of your state ID or current driver's license. Also, attach the signed copies of the client forms. Sign up for emails if you wish. Click Send. You will receive an email about your order within 24 hours. Please check your spam folder.